The Little Match Girl. On a silent winter night, snow covered every rooftop and every street in the little town. A small girl named Mia walked alone with a box of matches, hoping to earn just enough for warm bread. People hurried past her, their coats thick and warm, but no one noticed the tiny girl. With trembling hands and hopeful eyes, the cold bit her fingers, and her toes felt like ice as the wind sang its lonely song. Mia sat by a window glowing with golden light and gently lit a single match. The flame rose softly, chasing away the darkness around her. In its warm glow, Mia saw a picture appear: a bright room with a fireplace and a table full of hot soup and soft bread. But the flame faded away. She lit another match. This time, a tall Christmas tree appeared, with shining stars and little gifts dancing in the light. Her eyes sparkled for a moment before the light slipped into the dark once more. Snow fell harder. Mia lit her third match, the one she always kept close to her heart. In the golden circle of light stood her grandmother, smiling with the same gentle warmth Mia remembered. Grandma opened her arms, as soft as a winter blanket. "Mia, my sweet girl." Her voice seemed to whisper, "You are not alone." Mia lit all the matches at once, wanting the warm vision to stay just a little longer. The flames blossomed together, bright as stars, wrapping Mia in a tender, glowing embrace. When morning arrived, people found her resting peacefully, a soft smile on her face. They never knew that Mia had already taken her grandmother's hand and stepped into a world of endless warmth, light, and love.